Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add widget on lock screen in Galaxy A05 device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll. Then you see option of lock screen here. Just tap to lock screen. After that, go to edit lock screen. Now this is the lock screen interface. If you want to add any widget, so all you guys have to do just click on the widget right now. Like I am changing the clock style, so just tap this, and for the widget just select the widget and then select it to weather. Right now we have 7 weather options, but I am selecting this one. So first of all, deselect anyone and then select it. So as you see, it is now select and set. Now just click to done and then lock the screen. So as you see, the clock is also now changed and the widget is now added to the device. So that's how we can add widgets in Galaxy A05 device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.